Hi, today I'm for the HardReset 5G and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created a new home screen folder. Just to add here more applications, the couple of apps in one click, you should click to this plus icon and select the applications which you wanna add to your folder. Then just tap to OK and that's it. Just to rename it, click once on the name and enter the new one. For example, let's name it like the apps. Also, if you want to move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. And to remove the application from here, you should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen. If you want to remove a couple of apps in one click, just tap here to this plus icon and unselect these applications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.